Welcome to another LTW product showcase video, and today we're talking about a cool E4H Tilt Table. And this one here is actually getting ready to ship to a customer that they custom designed their tabletop for their needs. And so we do a lot of MTO or made to order products for customers around your needs. So let us know what we can do for you, and our engineering team will design it right to your standards, and then we'll make it and it'll ship all ready to go. So all you got to do is take it off the pallet, plug it in, and away it goes. So this E4H Tilt, the E4 stands for 4 actuators, so 4 linear actuators all running up and down parallel synchronously. And then T is a tilt, so this one actually lifts and tilts. I'll show you that in a moment. And then the E4H, the H stands for heavy duty. And so unlike a lot of our products is the 2-inch square tubing that is still super heavy duty. It's 7 gauge 3/16 wall tubing all welded together. This one is 3-inch square tubing, same 7 gauge 3/16 wall, and so really heavy duty product. So E4 electric, 4 actuator, H heavy duty, 3-inch steel, and T being the tilt. And so this one here, it also has our LC technology, or our levelers and casters. And so if you want, you can lower it down and it'll just go down to lower, and then you press and hold the button again, and it actually goes ahead and lifts the actual levelers right off the ground, and now it's right on casters, so you can easily move it around. And then when I go ahead and push the button to raise it, the levelers go to the floor, and then the whole upper frame with the casters starts raising up off the floor to go ahead and make it so it's stable on the levelers and it won't move around on you. Now, like I mentioned, this one here is, it raises and tilts. So I can go ahead and push this button over here and it starts tilting the table. And so that's really cool. And then you can go ahead and raise and tilt that. And this raises up 12 inches of travel. So that is a nice amount of travel for operators to go ahead and raise it to their ergonomic height. And so they can work in their, they call it the power zone stuff for ergonomics. So this will then raise up 12 inches and it'll tilt from actual flat horizontal to 90 degrees, just making it really nice for operators to just rotate that right on around and work in front of them. So I'm not sure exactly what the customer in this case is going to use it for, but we've got them using for even weld tables to articulate that right on over. And then you can just go ahead and press the down button, and just, you can go ahead and lower that down and rotate that on over. And then now it just effortlessly lowers all that down and brings that table back into horizontal. So again, this is the E4H Tilt Table by LTW Ergonomic Solutions. To learn more about this and all of our other products, go to our website, ltw1.com. Get your ergonomic on.